Hey, what is happening, my friends? Are you looking for a beach house? So many people are. If you want a property that you can realistically walk to the beach, realistically ride an e-bike to the beach, or take your golf cart day in and day out in Dana Point, also known as Capo Beach, where I am here today, then look no further, because this is the best opportunity in Capo Beach right now, and I'm about to take you on a tour. Let's flip this camera around and get you inside. So right off the bat, what does everybody need at a beach house? Parking. Why? Because it's hard to park at the beach. This property has an amazing 3-car wide driveway with a 2-car garage. I can't tell you how important, how nice it is to have the off-street parking that this property does. And while we're out here, the street's not busy either. So if you're entertaining or if you're hosting, I love the fact that this house, this property has so much street parking. And most of the traffic coming through this street is neighborhood traffic. You don't have a reason to be on this street unless you're visiting someone or unless somebody that lives here is going to their property. So as we walk up here, you can't really tell how much house is back here from the street. But as soon as you walk through this double front door, I've got it opened up here, you're greeted by this big open floor plan. Spans all the way down. Kitchen, living, dining, formal dining. There's so much space in this house, and that's why I'm calling this the best deal in Capo Beach right now, is because this house is completely turnkey. It's got all custom cabinets, granite countertops, nice stainless steel appliances. I mean, look how much cabinetry is in here. And these cabinets are really nice. They're spotless, flawless. And these cabinets weren't updated yesterday, but they're in excellent shape and there's a lot of them. This house really has the opportunity for a big family or multi-generational just from the sheer size. It's coming in just a tad under 2,900 square feet. And the list price right now is $1.599 million. So on a price per square foot, for where this property is, it's the best location, best price per square foot house currently on the market in Capo Beach. And one of the cool things too, as you look out this window, there's no house next door. This lot could be developed one day, but the current owners have no intention to do that. It's just a land hold investment for them. So you, for the time being, get really good privacy and really good sight lines out this way. There's no ocean view from this house, but you can feel the ocean. You can feel the influence of the ocean. You get that cool breeze coming off the ocean at Capo Beach. The other thing that's great about this property is it has this powder bathroom to service all of the common area. So many homes that I tour clients through, they don't have a dedicated powder. This house does, and it's very spacious. Tons of countertop space, tons of cabinetry space to hold the cleaning supplies, the different hand towels, and all the things that you need to service a powder bathroom. And then what's better, it has a main floor ensuite bedroom. And by ensuite, when I say that, that means it's got a full service bathroom attached. So when you look at this room, I want you to think about all the different uses, all the different benefits that this room could have. Some of the benefits that I see this being a great mother-in-law room, mother and mother-in-law, however you want to look at that. This is also a great office. This can be a great office because it's off of the kitchen, right? How nice is that to be able to go, grab a quick drink, grab lunch, go back to the office, and it's got that bathroom. Or this room could be great for teenagers. I know that a lot of parents don't want younger kids on different levels, but once kids are older, having them on a different level might be beneficial. So tons of good uses for a main floor ensuite bedroom. And in this bathroom, you can see the tile work, the frameless glass. This has all been updated. This is a really high level of update for the price per square foot of this home. You can See the little detail here with the travertine tiles. It's got the shampoo nook and a bench seat. Everything is spotless. The frameless glass too, I can see it has no etching. It has no calcium deposits. It's just so clean. And the same goes for this sink as well. This home is just in really great shape. And this bedroom also has access to this deck. I wish you could feel this through the camera, because as soon as you step out here, the sunshine, the breeze coming off of the ocean, it's so much cooler than just like an inland breeze. It's really a nice feeling out here, and this deck looks over this very tropical, very Hawaiian-esque landscaped backyard with all the palm trees. And what a great spot for parents to look down, check on the kids. That's a jacuzzi, an oversized spa. Really great fireplace down here. And you can see the freshly newer planted sod down there is thriving. This backyard has a great vibe. More on that backyard in a few minutes. Let's finish up this upstairs and then we'll head down to the downstairs. So having this ensuite bedroom up here is great. It just makes it so that if you have somebody too who can't traverse stairs inside the home, that is a great space for them. The only stairs would be when you're coming and going from the property. You would have these 1, 2, 3 stairs out front. Or if you were getting into a car in the garage, you've got the 3 stairs leading down to this wonderfully clean garage, epoxy floors. Look how good the epoxy looks in here. It's like a showroom garage. Fully drywalled, right? So there's no exposed rafter beams here. This has all been drywalled. Recessed lighting in the garage, built-in cabinets. Check out that recessed lighting. Very nice. I like the built-ins too. 2-car garage door. It's obviously an oversized 2-car garage, right? Your normal 2-car garage is going to be something like 19 by 20, 20 by 20. But you can see here there's a lot of extra space on this side of the garage, and the pedestrian door leading out to the front door, all right off the kitchen. All right, let's go see what the bedroom wing has to offer. We're going to take down these stairs here. Nice handrails, good steps leading down. It's a good spot to check out the floors. This is a nice flooring. It's a dark, rich flooring color, very elegant, very timeless. And as we are now on the ground floor, which is downstairs, you'll see this is an extra family room. So again, we're talking about multi-generational living. We're talking about a good teenager house. This is a great secondary space. Imagine a sectional down here, a big screen TV, so you can have 2 hangout rooms. Teen room down here, adults upstairs. However you want to set it up, this home has the flexibility. Another spacious bedroom. That's one of the nice things about having a 2,900 square foot house. Big bedrooms, right? King size bed, no problem. Nightstands on each side, no problem. Big dresser to complement the closet, no problem. And then French doors leading out to the backyard. Let's open this door here. Nice concrete work. Got the diamond saw cutting in the concrete work. You can see the diamond pattern. This nice new fence, and I love the tropical landscaping. I mentioned that before, but it just looks really good. And these cafe lights, really nice ambiance down here. So we're headed back into the downstairs bedroom number 1. And as we go back to the hallway, there is a generously sized full bathroom. So we've got the full bathroom, meaning toilet is a quarter, sink is a quarter, tub is a quarter, and a shower is a quarter. That makes the full. If If it didn't have a tub, it would only be a 3/4 bath. A lot of times people don't differentiate that, but it is important to know that there's a tub in this house if you do have little ones. There's nothing like a good bath rather than having to put a plastic tub in the shower. We've got that same nice stonework as in the upstairs bathroom down here in this dual vanity. And everything's just spotless. This home is absolutely spotless. I will say that. Nice travertine tile on the floor. And this is guest bedroom number 2. This room is even bigger than the first one. Check this out. How spacious. Love it. Now this is kind of interesting here. I've examined this, and tell me what you think about this idea. You don't have to do this obviously, but I think this would be a very cool space to have a separate entry. What do I mean by that? This landing pad is directly below the front door, and you could very easily add a staircase going down here and give this its own private access, which again would be huge for a mother-in-law quarter type of apartment or casita type of feel. I love the opportunity in this space. Again, not mandatory, but just one of those flexible options on this house that lends itself to very comfortable long-term living with lots of family members, multi-generational, etc. And here we are, master bedroom, huge. You can see it's got the 2 sconces on the wall, so this is where the bed goes. Easily fitting a king-size bed with plenty of extra sitting space, reading space, dressers, you name it. And this is a proper walk-in closet. It's got all the built-ins that you need. Hanging, extra storage here, tons of storage when you go in here for seasonal things, sports equipment, all that good stuff. And then the master bath. 2 steps down, dual vanity, huge soaking tub, and a very comfortable shower. Loving the tile work throughout this home. You can tell it was done with a high attention to detail, and with this home being upgraded in 2013 roughly, the improvements have withstood the test of time. So there you have it. 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, 2 family rooms, and a outdoor fireplace and jacuzzi in Capistrano Beach. If I were to hop on an e-bike from this location, it might take me 3 to 5 minutes to get to the beach. That's how close we are. And I just don't see any other opportunities coming in for less than 1.6 million with this much square footage and this many nice improvements. If you want to take a look at this, reach out to me. Or if you're not quite ready, but you love this home, give me a shout out in the comments and let me know when you want to start your search by shooting me a text, because the sooner the better, so I can start to put opportunities like this in front of you. Thanks so much. I'll see you on the next one.